This is another one of my daughter's favorites. Here's my version of aloo paratha or stuffed potato flatbread. Boil, peel and mash 1.5 pounds of gold potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon each of Kashmiri red chili, roasted cumin powder, mango powder and garam masala. Next, add a handful of cilantro, 1/3 cup of chopped onions and half a tablespoon of salt. Mix well and keep aside for later. Now, let's make the dough. In your mixer, combine 3.5 cups of whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and gradually add 2 cups of water. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix for about 3 minutes until the dough looks like so. Take a handful of dough, make it into a ball, and roll it out. Dip into the flour as you do so. Now, take some of the potato mixture, shape into a ball, and place it on it. Gently bring the sides of the dough up so that it covers the potato mixture. Ensure that the potato filling is not visible as you roll it out. Lightly dust with flour as you go through the process. If the filling comes out from any side, dust with more flour. Now, transfer to a griddle and cook for about 2 minutes. Flip it and then add some ghee. Now, flip it again and add some more ghee. Cook it till it puffs a bit and is a nice golden color. And that's it. We like to have it with yogurt, baby onions and vinegar, and a generous amount of butter.